Today, Rise to Success brings you an inspiring story for you to listen, watch, and inspire to grow into a better person. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe Rise to Success and click the bell icon so that you never miss any of these amazing success stories. The Village Entrepreneur, Oliver's Path to Prosperity. In the quiet village of Elmbridge, a young boy named Oliver lived with his family, facing the challenges of poverty. His parents worked tirelessly in the fields, struggling to make ends meet and get food on the table. Yet, Oliver harbored a dream that transcended his modest surroundings, the dream of becoming a successful businessman. Oliver's journey of learning began not in a library or with a formal education, but through life's lessons. Observing the hardships his family endured, he understood the value of resilience and hard work. As he matured, he realized the importance of resourcefulness and the ability to adapt to change. His entrepreneurial spirit awakened when he started helping his family sell their farm produce in the local market. These early experiences taught him to the basics of business: negotiating, understanding customer needs, and managing limited resources. Life in the village offered Oliver a unique education, and he learned to identify opportunities where others saw challenges. His early attempts at a small-scale entrepreneurship like selling handcrafted items taught him the significance of creativity and innovation in business. Driven by a desire for more, Oliver decided to venture beyond Elmbridge. Moving to the nearby town, he faced the harsh realities of a more competitive environment. Rejections and setbacks became his teachers, shaping his understanding of market dynamics and customer preferences. Oliver's willingness to learn from setbacks and seek guidance from experienced entrepreneurs in the town marked a turning point. He absorbed valuable lessons about perseverance, adaptability, and the importance of building a meaningful relationship in the business world. As time passed, Oliver's small business began to thrive. Each challenge he encountered became a stepping stone, and he emerged wiser and more resilient. Diversifying his products and embracing technology, he transformed his humble enterprise into a successful business. Never forgetting the lessons learned in Elmbridge, Oliver used his success to uplift the village. He invested in education, providing employment opportunities and support the local initiatives. The village underwent a positive transformation, a testament to Oliver's commitment to giving back. From the early days of selling farm produce to global success, Oliver's journey exemplified the transformative power of learning from life's experiences. His story became a beacon of hope, illustrating that the path to greatness is often paved with the wisdom gained from facing and overcoming challenges. Now, if Oliver can rise to success, I believe you can do it too. Stay tuned to learn more amazing stories like this. Thank you.